Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best garage parking aid in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best garage parking aid that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Fosmon Dual Laser Garage Parking Assist. We're not quite sure what to make of the Fosmon laser parking aid. It does exactly what it claims and shines 2 motion-activated red lasers wherever you point them. This and the Logic XYZ are the only 2 that leave your garage floor and airspace clear. But the Fosmon has a lot more mounting options and doesn't take up any wall space. The 2 aimable laser diodes are intended to let you set it up for cars on both sides of a 2-car garage. The AG Garage has an I-beam down the center, but they have enough range of motion that we could put it high on the back wall and achieve the same effect. There's a thin plastic backplate that you screw in permanently. Then the main unit clips in. It runs on a 9 volts battery or with the included AC adapter. It took a lot of trips back up and down a ladder and in and out of the car to aim the lasers right, and they were hard to see. Just a tiny, if very bright, dot. We also had to remember where we'd aimed them. And because of our Dodge Magnum RT's high beltline and dark tint, the dot was only visible on the windshield. Moving on at number 4, we have the Autovox Solar One Wireless Backup Camera. The Autovox Solar Wireless Backup Camera does what it says on the box. It allows you to see what's behind your car on its compact yet accurate full-color monitor when you're backing up. As long as you don't expect HD video quality, you won't be disappointed. Just plug the monitor in a cigarette power outlet and stick it to the windscreen or your dash with its powerful silicone suction cup. Now unscrew your license plate, slide the camera and bracket behind your license plate, screw it back in place, and you're done. Yes, it's that simple. The camera is solar-powered but can also be charged with a USB charger if needed. For initial setup, plug in the monitor and hold down the on-off button situated underneath the solar cell under the rubber protector cap next to the USB port until the red light comes on. Now the camera is connected to the monitor and the camera footage will appear on the LCD. It will switch off in 60 seconds, adjustable to 45 seconds or 90 sec, and will immediately switch on when the wireless remote button is pushed. At number 3, we have the STKR Concepts AUTO-VOX Adjustable Garage Parking Sensor Aid. The Striker Concepts 00246 Parking Sensor is the first technologically advanced garage parking aid on our list. It uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance between your car and surrounding objects. These signals are then transmitted to the indicator unit, which tells you when to stop. As you enter the garage, the indicator light will turn green, meaning you are in range. Then, the light turns yellow once you are close to the parking position. When it turns red, it means you should stop the car. Depending on your requirements, you can set the parking distance anywhere between 6 inches and 6 feet. The sensor and indicator unit come with a Velcro setup to make installation easy. Since it does not use any adhesive tape, there is no question of the linkage getting weaker over time. Despite this being an electric parking aid, you don't have to worry about having a power outlet nearby. The AUTO-VOX parking sensor uses 4 AA batteries. If cluttered garage that your car barely fits in, the STKR Concepts Garage Parking Sensor is the perfect choice for you. It offers pinpoint accuracy so you are not left wondering how much space you have left while parking your vehicle. At number 2, we have the Maxa Innovations Park Right Parking Mat. The Maxa Innovations 37,358 parking mat is easily one of the best garage parking aids out there. It is a cost-effective device that can save you hundreds of dollars in bodywork damage. Maxsa's model is a 21.5 long parking mat made from a strong and durable thermoplastic compound. The two raised barriers will offer resistance to your car's wheel, signaling that you have reached the correct parking position. The first hump is a subtle way to let you know you are approaching the parking position, while the second bump tells you the car is in place. Installing this parking mat is quite simple once you decide on your installation method. You can either use the provided double-sided adhesive material present at the base, or screw the mat using the provided holes. Besides, there is an integrated drip tray to keep all the water out, ensuring the mat stays in place even when it's raining. Thanks to a clever design, the Maxa Innovations 37,358 parking mat is suitable for nearly every vehicle type. Consider buying the 37,358 if you are looking for a dependable and long-lasting garage parking aid at a low price tag. And finally, at number 1, we have the IPI 100 Parking Target. Manufactured by Innovative Products International, the Parking Target is a useful garage parking aid that works every time. It is a low-cost solution that is easy to install and inexpensive. In order to install it, park your car in the desired position and stick the parking target in front of a wheel. Its best features that you don't need to drill holes or make any other permanent changes to your garage floor. The parking target comes with a peel-and-stick base that tightly mounts on, measuring around 16 inches in length. The IPI 100 parking target is suitable for a wide range of vehicles. You can even personalize your model using the Mom, Dad, or USA decals that come with your purchase. If you are looking for something more reliable than the previous models, then the IPI 100 parking target is the right choice for you. Moreover, thanks to the included decals, it's a great gift for your parents or anyone else you know that would make good use of it.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.